Hello everyone. I'm making a vegetable soup. First of all, I made a chicken stock. Actually, I boiled some chicken broth, which is different than a stock. And then I had froze it so that I could have it for later use, which is what you could do, or you can can it, either way. And then I started off with some potatoes and carrots, and I added some leeks and some celery, cremini mushrooms. Let's see, what else did I put in there? I mentioned carrots. And then towards the end, as I am making this soup, I'm basically adding the ingredients from one ingredient to another to see, you have to make sure that you cook the ones that take the longest. So the potatoes and carrots and leeks and celery take the longest to cook. And then I added some spices. I added some marinara sauce, which is a low sodium, and this is a low sodium soup. And then I added some spices, I added a little bit of salt and pepper, and some granulated garlic, and basically you just let it simmer for about a good 20 minutes, and you have a delicious soup. Now, I'm not going to can this one because I'm going to be eating it since it's around that time of the year. And so, and cabbage. Don't forget the cabbage. Cabbage has so many nice ingredients. And then the zucchini. So this is a nice vegetable soup. One more thing I added. I added some lentils. And I found some red lentils. There they are. Some red lentils. And I added that because from the beginning. So it doesn't take very long to cook. Probably about 15 minutes. It's like rice. I think it'd be the same consistency or the same amount of time as rice. Maybe a little bit longer. And it's all in there. It's about a half a cup of lentils. So you could get some of your proteins. Alrighty. So that's your soup. And maybe you should try it and see if you like it. And a pinch of chili peppers go well in this soup. Okay, and some spinach. And if you want, you can add chard. So make sure you put some greens in there. Green beans, whatever you like. And it should be good. All right.